So hello, welcome to a new video, and I thought I will show you my new setup here. I have finally moved back to Germany. I've settled into my trading office now. You can see here this is a 32-inch Dell, very nice 4K monitor. I can very easily fit up to 8 charts here. Here's my regular 15-inch notebook, very nice. Everything is keyless and wireless, I should say. And today I thought I'd do one of the first Q&A videos, because recently it is December the 5th right now, and I got so many questions about what you are doing now that the year is almost over. How do you set yourself up? How do you approach the last trading months of the year? And I thought this is a very good opportunity to go a little bit deeper into this question, share with you my thoughts, and do a little bit more of a personal one-on-one video. So if you like this, or if you don't like this, let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and then I will see what you think of those types of videos. So let's get into the question, how do you approach the last trading months? There are now 26 more trading days left. Usually after or just the week before Christmas, things can get a little bit slower. I talked about this in my last video, where I looked at last year's trading action or price action and history. But let's look at how you should, or what you can do now that we are going into the end of the year. And there are usually three scenarios, or three possible scenarios where you can be right now. The first one is that you are in a profit for the year. You have made positive gains. You are up on your account balance for the year. And first of all, well done. You are in the minority of traders. And what you should be doing now is be very patient, be very selective, bring this year home. Don't try to push your luck now. I know many traders, they have special or very specific return goals where they want to make 50, 30, 100% per year. Maybe they're very close to this goal. They have almost achieved it. They just need a few more profitable trades. And don't be one of those traders where you end up forcing trades because you want to achieve your very random and very arbitrary goal, and then you end up forcing trades, you end up losing money, and then by the end of the year you sit around your Christmas tree and you are talking yourself down. You look at your account balance and said, oh, I should have just listened to Rolf. I should have just be patient, not forced my trades. And you don't really want to be in that situation where you had a very good year and then you were just too over optimistic, too aggressive, and then you gave it all away. So just bring this year home. That's exactly what I'm doing right now as well. I have had a very great year with my trading. I am very selective now. I take fewer trades. In fact, I am in 3 trades right now, very important ones. They are correlated, so I have a smaller position on each one, but I'm very, very selective. I waited very long time for them. I don't have a lot of other trades or setups on the watch list right now, so I really try to bring this year home, get my good return for the year, enjoy the last trading month of the year, and I will get into my personal routine a little bit later. So if you are in profit, the first scenario, well done, bring this year home, be selective, and then you can celebrate into the new year. If you are around break even right now, don't try to push your luck. Don't just try to land a few trades where you then might upend in profit, because more often than not what happens is that you take bad trades, you end up forcing mediocre trades which usually you would not take, and this will put you in a very bad spot. You don't want to be in the position where you had an okay year. Break even is not the worst scenario. It is not a bad outcome for the year. You don't want to be in a position where you turn the break-even year into a losing year. That's really not where you want to be, especially for the mental side. Protecting the mental capital is so important. I often tell our students that protecting mental capital, what means that you still have joy, you still feel excited about trading, you approach trading from an open and fearless perspective where you like to sit down in front of your charts. This is where you have good mental capital, where you enjoy the things. You don't want to become a trader who depletes his mental capital, which means that he doesn't enjoy his trading anymore so much. It becomes a dreadful activity. And I know many traders that act from such a perspective, who have depleted their trading capital by losing a lot of money or by having just bad results where their expectations are not met. So you really don't want to be in such a position. So even if you are break even now, don't take trades where you know you should not be in. Even if you have a break even year, this is a great result for many traders. So acknowledge that, acknowledge your step forward. Maybe you were a losing trader last month or last year, and you just look at your progress over the year. You see that you have made progress, which is the most important thing here. Next year you can change it a little bit more into your direction, become even a little bit better, and then maybe end of 2018 you will have a profitable year. So be proud of yourself, acknowledge that you have made progress, which is something that many traders forget, and then you can set yourself up for the next year. And if you are in a loss, this is the third possible scenario. If you have not made any money this year, then especially now, don't try to force winning here. Don't tell yourself that now it doesn't matter anyway, you have lost money. What does it matter if you are losing a little bit more, and then you end up taking bad trades? You gamble a lot, you increase your risk. I have seen it so many times in our students or in emails that I get daily or weekly, where traders they want to turn this around. They are too aggressive and they just take random trades where they increase their capital and then they dig themselves a hole. They lose all of their mental capital, which is really a very bad spot. Protecting your mental capital is so important. You don't want to be in a position where you don't like trading anymore. Trading should be a fun activity, should be something that you enjoy, where you see the potential for your future, where you see that trading can be something that can help your life, where you supplement your income. Maybe it frees up time for you where you can work a little bit less in your regular day job. You have money coming in from trading, and the other free time you can pursue your passion or whatever it is that you want to do, and then turns you on, whatever that is. So protect your mental capital. If you have lost money this year, that is okay. Acknowledge that, be realistic about it, and then for the next year you can set yourself up to approach trading from a better perspective and to make the next step in your trading, where end of 2018 maybe you become a break-even trader from a losing trader, and that is a great step. So again, what I am doing right now is I am very selective. I only take very few trades right now. I follow the market still very closely. I set my price alerts, I do my review. The review process is very important right now. I review my complete trading journal for the year 2017. I look at what I have done wrong, where I have lost money unnecessarily. I look at things that I'm doing well. I am also testing, or I have tested different new patterns and different trading ideas, which I'm looking to include into my trading plan in 2018. So that is also something that I'm doing now. I'm doing a lot of inner work and personal work, setting up my goals, looking ahead, where do I want to be at the end of next year and in 5 years. And this is not only from a trading perspective, they're also from a personal, from a business perspective, emotional, with my family, with friends, a social life. That is something that I'm doing. Planning ahead, setting up the life that I want, and really making sure that I stay on this path where I see myself going and where I want to end up. This is something that I really enjoy in the end of the year. You don't have to wait until it is January 1st, where then you wake up with a hangover and tell yourself, I need to change my life, I need to set up my New Year's resolutions. Do it now. Now is the best time. Enjoy the last months of the year and set yourself up for a great 2018 and a great future life. So I hope that helps you a little bit. I will also put some links in the description below this video for some information about some personal development that you can make. I especially like Jordan Peterson's work with his future authoring, self-authoring, past authoring. It's great programs. They only cost a few bucks, so I really think it's worth your time. And they help you become clear of what you want, and they help you break down your goals into sub-goals and then make actionable steps with that. So again, to quickly recap the three things, three possible scenarios. Either you are in a profit for the year 2017, then just bring this year home, be selective, enjoy it, and be proud of yourself. If you are around a break-even trader, again, Acknowledge that maybe last year you were a losing trader, you made this transition to a break-even trader, which is awesome. Now it is up to you to make the next step, go back to your journal, review and look at your performance, and then next year you can take this to the next step, maybe become slightly profitable and really acknowledge your progress. And even if you are a losing trader, then also don't dig yourself a big hole. Protect your mental capital, become clear again, why are you doing this trading, why are you into trading for the first in the first place, what is your goal, and where are you, or where did you go wrong this year, where do you have to go next year, where do you have to make adjustments to set yourself up for some trading success next year, and then you can go onto the right path next year. I hope you enjoyed this, thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.